This is the relay center in the car. They'll be in various locations on vehicles. Some even have them inside, some even in the trunk. And if you have a defective relay, there are relay checkers. Most technicians obviously have these. And what you can do is actually remove, if I can get one of these out right here, wiggle it out. Yep, here it is. Here's a relay right here. Again, you can remove them, and you can actually ohm them out through pinpoint checks. You can check for power at certain points. Another good way to check them if you don't have any special tools is substitute a relay. Take an old good one out and just exchange it for a minute and see if it corrects the concern or the issue that you're having. That's another good way. But if we look at the cover right here as it goes on, the one I pulled is right in this corner right here, so that's fan number 1. So if you have a fan that doesn't come on, the engine's running hot, that would indicate possibly this would be a good place to go to check this relay and make sure it's working. Of course, you want to make sure the relay circuit's also fused, that's working good. Again, this can be checked. You don't want to just randomly replace it because somebody told you that you have a bad relay. You need to prove that it is indeed defective.